So once you're ready to promote your Telegram mini app or whatever ad you want to run, and you want to run that in such a way that the ad displays on big channels and even big TMA. And when I say TMA, I'm referring to Telegram mini apps. So you can go to your desktop application or computer or just whatever browser that you have and just type ads.telegram.org. It's going to open this up, and all you need to do is to go ahead and hit on where we have a login to start advertising, and I'm going to hit on that right now. All right, and you want to go ahead and enter your phone number right here, whatever phone number that you have with that of the Telegram as you are registering. So I do have this with Telegram, and I'm going to just go ahead. Of course, remember to enter your country code right there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit on next, and this is basically they are basically going to go ahead and send me a message on Telegram that I need to like go ahead and then verify that so that they can actually have access to logging me in right here. All right, so I need to go into my phone right here and I see a way to actually verify that. So let's do that right now. All right, so I'm logged onto my Telegram on my phone right here, and I do have a message right here. So I'm going to open this up, and what I need to do is to just scroll up and then hit on where it says confirm right here to give access to me logging in through the desktop. So I'm going to hit on where we have confirm, and it says accepted right here. All right, and automatically if you take a look here, you see that on the computer that have been logged in automatically, right? And you can select between the account you already have with them, or you can even create a new organization account right here. But I don't want to create a new organization account. I want to make use of the account I already go with them, which is this particular one right here. So I want to hit on that account, and then it's going to bring up this for me. So this is basically the first time I'm trying to run an ad with that of the Telegram. So I need to like fill this form out. They are going to need my phone name, my email, phone number, country, and then the city where I am. So let's fill out this particular form right here. All right, so as you can see, I have the form filled out with all of my details, and you can actually add an advertiser's legal name right here, even though it's actually optional. So I'm going to leave that, but if I would like to put something in here, I'm going to just basically put my business name, which is Code Kenda right here. So let's go ahead and hit on where it says save info and proceed right here. Let's see what is going to happen, and that's account has been created, guys. And there are a few things I basically need to like point out right here. So if you want to run ads on that of the Telegram, you need to have like ton available on your what is it called, on your wallet right here. All right, so if you take a look in here, you see that I do have 0.00. I can add ton right here to use it for the advertisement. All right, but before we actually talk about that further, we can just go ahead and hit on where it says create a new ad right here, and we can go ahead and do that to create a new ad right here. So I'm going to hit on create a new ad, and it's going to open up this interface for me where I basically need to fill out information that is actually required. An example is this ad title right here, so let's fill it in right there. So right here, I'm going to just say something like N. I'm going to just call this something like tone. I'm going to just basically use that as something like a title for the ad right there. And then here we can just go ahead and enter the text that we want that to really display. And I'm going to just basically maybe copy this and then put that right here. And then I'm going to just basically modify this a little bit. And let me show we kind of type all of these things correctly. Some little, we'll just call this little ads. All right, so that's just basically what I want to use. Now down here where we do have where they say something like URL you want to promote. So this is just basically where we want to add maybe the URL of that of your Telegram mini app. All right, so that once people click on it, they can actually land on your Telegram mini app. So right here, I'm going to enter the one that I have. I'm going to just call this t.me, and we'll just do / this is going to be Kalama coin _ boats. All right, so this is just basically the URL that I want to promote, and that's just a Telegram mini app. All right, so if you take a look here, this is the preview section. Whatever you're actually doing right here is actually showing up right here, and I can actually see that this is supposed to actually be something like task. I don't know why I added that earlier. So we do have a task right here. So this simply means earn tone on Kalama coin daily by just logging. I'll just do logging in and performing, and some little tasks right here. All right, so this is just basically what it is. Look at how it is actually looking right here. So this is the URL you want to have in there, and for the CPM right here, this is just talking about how much you want to spend per ad right there. All right, in turn, of course. So if I do something like 0.0, let's say 1 right here, and it's actually charging me this is just equal to 0.03 euros at the moment. So this is the initial budget in turn. This is simply the amount you want to spend at and overall, anyway. So I'm going to just do something like, maybe I'm going to just do 25 tone right here as the amount I want to spend in general. So that is it on that. Then down here where we do have a daily views per user, if you select one, that means that every user in any channel that you actually promoting this on should be able to see your ad just once per day. If you select two, maybe they are just basically going to see your ad twice per day, and the same thing applies to the rest of the numbers we're having here. All right, so the initial status, you can set that to active or on hold, whichever one you want. So if I want to set this to something like active right here, and it can just be on active. And if you want to schedule this, you can actually hit on where we have run this ad on schedule right here. All right, but I just want to, in case I just basically want to run this immediately, I can just leave it at active right here, and maybe I want people to maybe see this twice on the channel that they actually are presently. So I'm going to select two. All right, so that just sit on that particular angle. And again, if you want to set an end date for this, you can hit on where we have a set end date. So if I click on it, you see that it opens up, and I can actually set the time that I want the ad to a kind of a stop right there. All right, but if you want to leave it automatically to auto right there, it's just basically fine, in the sense that if the ad is actually performing well, you can just be adding more money. All right, so if you take a look at the right hand side of the screen right here, we have a place where we have a target specific channels. You can target specific channels right here. So let's say, for instance, you want this to run on maybe something like let's say on Bloom. You can actually type the URL for that of the Bloom right here. So if you want that to also run maybe on somewhere like Drove channel, you can just copy the specific URL to whatever channel you want this ad to run, and then put it right there. And then once you put that, if you take a look down here, see that this will not be able to run anywhere else except whatever that you put on this particular place. All right, so that's just what that is simply saying. And then down here they are saying that this will not be shown for users in the following countries like Russia, Federation, Ukraine, Israel, and then Palestine. All right, so your ad will not show on those particular places, but it can show on some other countries that are not actually mentioned right here. All right, so once everything you are doing is okay, you can just go ahead and hit on where we have I have agreed. I have read and agreed with Telegram ad platform terms of a service right here, and I hit on create. However, I do not actually recommend people to actually add a targeted specific channels right here, except we are sure that the people that you are really targeting, that they're actually there. All right, so you can use commas to separate the people that you want to basically use their channel. You want to basically promote your app on their channel. All right, so if it is something like Bloom, you can enter their URL right here. Whatever channel that you want, if it's Rove channel, you can enter that right here. However, what I want to do right here is to just leave that so that they can actually run that automatically on any channel that is actually eligible to be able to show my ad. All right, so what I basically want to do is to go ahead and hit on where have this in here, and I can hit on where it says a create ad right here. So I'm going to hit on create ad, and I'm going to see what is going to happen. So we do have an error right here. It says your balance is too low, which means you basically need to increase this. Okay, I think the reason why this is actually showing you right here is because if you take a look at my balance right here, I do have 0.00. all right, so I do not actually have any money right here. So if I do have some money on this particular balance right here, this ad is basically going to run. All right, so I want you guys to feel free to go and then test this particular solution that I have just given you guys. Just try and then test that out. And so which other things do I really need to explain right here? Okay, if you take a look up here, this target right here did not only entail the channels itself. All right, so if you want to like run the ad on both, all right, so if you want to get shown on somewhere like bombs, somewhere like those particular Telegram mini apps, if you want to show your ad on them, you can actually do that. So if you switch to bots right here, you see that you can actually select a particular bot, put the URL right here, and it's going to run on such a place. So if it is based on search, as people are actually searching, you can just basically put your ad right there. Look at the preview right here. All right, so that is just basically what that is, and I hope that you guys kind of understand what I'm trying to just explain right here. So select whatever channel, whatever target you want right here, and you can fill in the URL into this particular place, and then you can go ahead and hit on create ad, especially if the money you have right here is enough for what you want to do right here. All right, so you must have at least 25 tone based on what I selected right here. If you want to use, maybe let's say what you have in here is just 5 tone, you can just go ahead and type 5 tone right here. All right, and then go ahead and do whatever you want to do. So that's just basically what I want to show you guys. And if you enjoyed the video, you should just feel free to let me know in the comment section, and then I think I will see you guys in the next one, and bye bye for now.